we just finished our book, How Hot. It's very cool, and I really liked it.
Yeah, it's very
And
hot.
I think one of the most interesting things that I learned was about the temperature in space.
Yeah, me too.
I really, it was very fun. It was the last page here. It tells. I never knew this, but I learned that the temperature I mean the sun also affects the temperature around it in space. Since I think that's very interesting.
And I also find this amazing that on Mars, um, the temperature on Mars ranges from negative 118 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 83 degrees Celsius before dawn to negative 28 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 33 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. I
I
found
think,
that amazing.
but the thing is that Mars temperature is actually the closest that we have from our temperature on Earth. And although it's like really cold, there has been temperatures that cold on the planet, and I think,
Yeah, like in
and so
Antarctica where no one lives.
yeah, but there was -8. Sometimes it can go up to -18, negative 18 degrees, negative 18 degrees.
That's
Yeah,
4 degrees.
that's negative 18 degrees, which isn't much actually. We actually live through
Yeah, so
that.
then that means in the afternoon we'd have 10 more degrees than we do.
Okay, so I think um I think I'm just gonna say the book was really interesting. I actually wish that I'd actually kind of like have more discussions with my partner. I wish I did that a bit more. I wish I actually stopped a bit more. Which I didn't. I'm probably gonna do that on the next book. But in general, I really liked this book, and
Yeah,
it
so
was
did
very
I.
interesting. And I love learning about heat.
Yeah, it's actually really interesting if you think about it, because I mean, like you always think of like molecules being really tight together, not moving. Well, then heat molecules are like moving all around, and then cold, and it's just amazing because you always think of molecules being slow,
Yeah,
like
and
getting together.
do you think that's the most interesting thing you learned?
No,
What do you like? What do you learn more? That's interesting.
space,
Space, you like the space part?
the space temperature.
That's cool.
It's freezing cold. Yay, let's live there sometime. Let's move away from Earth and go live on Mars, where we can have an afternoon that's colder than our winter.